lecture of Privatdozent Dr. Nino Antulov-Fantulin. My name is Ulrik. I'm currently head of department of the Department of Humanities, Social and Political Sciences. And one of the many, many perks that come with this role is that I get to introduce new faculty members to you. Nino joined ETH already in 2016 as a postdoc in the Kelvin's group, and of course immediately started to do research and teach, but the formal, but of course at this time it was all under the strong and caring hand of Dirk, protecting him from all the evils of the outside. And then he improved his formal capacity to do research and teaching independently via his habilitation in earlier this year. It was awarded. And together with the habilitation also comes the permission to actually do teaching at the university and in computational social science. If you're not familiar with this, Privatdozent is this kind of deal that the universities in German-speaking countries do, that in return for having access to students and carrying a fancy title, the university gets teaching for free by someone who actually knows something about the outside world, because they very often also have other jobs. It therefore also comes with an obligation that you actually do have to teach once a year. At least once a year course, and the permission to teach has to be renewed every 4 years by the department. Because I'm not the most qualified to actually tell you more about the person you want to hear, and I'm sure you will know him better than I do, but I asked his mentor Dirk to introduce the person